Hey, Juliet. Hey. Juliet. There she goes.
Wow, that was quick.
Yeah, do it again.
That was quick.
Hi, sweetie. She's like, nope, I'm gonna be on my back.
Yeah, you obviously can do it easily that way. Let's put your hands up here.
Huh? Hi. Juliet. Okay, roll over. Whee! Way to go. Do you have a smile? Do you have any smiles?